Alright guys, well I recently got a puppy and I had to get a bunch of these puppy pads. They do their business on here. Well, I figured since this pad is used to absorb liquids, well, why not use it to clean up the floor? And that's what I did, guys. Basically, what you guys need to do is cut a strip of it like this. That is perfect. I put it on my Swiffer like this. It sticks on perfectly. And that's it, guys. I can mop my floors with this. I'll keep my floors super clean. And when I'm done, I simply peel this off. And if I need more, well, I got plenty more right here. Look how large that is. I can get many pieces from this pad alone. So I can clean my whole floor with this. It's really awesome and I highly recommend it. Especially for those of you that have puppies. Okay, here's a problem you might encounter in the office. You have a lot of pencils, markers, and pens. But you don't have a pencil holder or a pencil cup. Well, one thing you guys can do is use a roll of toilet paper as a pencil cup. Basically, all you do is take your pencils, pens, and markers and put them inside the roller like that. You have this in your office. It's not gonna look that bad, and it'll hold your writing utensils. If you guys have a bunch of rubber bands all over the place, well, why not use your roll of toilet paper to sort those out? Basically, you're gonna wrap them around your roll of toilet paper like this. It'll hold it for you. So whenever you need a rubber band, you just get it. So just wrap all the rubber bands around it. And you guys get the idea. So whenever you guys need a rubber band, just peel it off your roll of toilet paper. See, simple as that. Now for those hard to reach places, all you need is a cotton ball and a pencil. Now I'm using a colored pencil here. Now what I'm gonna do is take some hot glue and stick this cotton ball on the end of this pencil right here, and that's it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of glue on the tip, perfect. Then I'm gonna place the cotton ball on it, and that's it, guys. Those hard to reach places will not be a problem anymore. You can just stick this anywhere and you'll be able to clean it, dust it off. It's a great hack for those of you that need to clean certain things that you just can't reach. Well, this definitely can. For this next hack, I'm gonna show you how to make a phone stand using a roll of toilet paper. You're gonna need a roll of toilet paper, of course, and a pen. Now this pen in particular has a cap with a clip on it. That is perfect because that's what we need. So we're gonna insert the pen inside the roller, but we're gonna attach the clip on the cardboard that's inside like this. That's gonna be holding up our phone. We just put this on the table, and then I just place my phone over it like this, and that's it. There's my phone holder that I made using a roll of toilet paper and a pen. It's very easy, very simple, and anybody can do this at home or at the office. All you need, like I said, is a roll of toilet paper and a pen. When it comes to picking up trash, I highly recommend one of these pickup tools. It's got a claw on one end, and all you gotta do is squeeze this, and you can basically pinch anything. They sell these at the dollar store, so definitely go out there and get yourself one, guys. Because if you hate touching dirty things, then you definitely need one of these. For example, there's a dirty Kleenex and some dirty gloves. See how simple that is? I just pile them up like that, and then just grab them all together, and that's it. I don't have to touch anything, and I can be germ-free pretty much. If there's such a thing. Like I said, these are only $1 and they're totally worth it. You know what, guys? I'm gonna somehow come up with a prank using one of these, because these are super fun. This is the door of a bedroom, right? And if you notice, there's no door stop. So if somebody opens the door really hard, the doorknob could actually damage the wall. Just like that, and we don't want that, guys. So a good way to avoid that if you don't have a door stop is to use a ball. Just leave it behind. You guys can tape it on or just leave it there. It's just a little ball. And look, when somebody opens the door, the doorknob doesn't hit the wall. And if you look down there, the ball is protecting the wall and the doorknob. So it's win-win. It's a good way to put the ball to use if you no longer have any use for the ball as far as playing with it. Sometimes when you buy new shoes, guys, one of them is just too tight for your comfort. So a good way to stretch out your shoes overnight is by using a tennis ball. So all you guys gotta do is insert it in all the way till it can go, and leave these overnight, and by morning time they'll already be stretched out for you and they won't be as uncomfortable anymore. So it's a really good method. If you ever happen to be one of those unlucky people that get those faulty shoes that where one of them is tighter than the other, this hack is perfect for that. So these are my headphones, guys. Well, using this roll of toilet paper, I'm gonna create a hanger for it so I can hang it up on the wall. For that, I'm gonna need a couple of thumbtacks like the ones you see right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of glue, just a dot on the roll of toilet paper, and then just stick the thumbtack on it like this. And I'm gonna do that to the other side. So all you need, guys, for this hack is thumbtacks, hot glue, and of course a roll of toilet paper. That's all there is to it, guys. Once this dries up, we're gonna stick it up on the wall, and then we'll easily be able to hang up our headphones. Alright, so now let's take our toilet paper with the thumbtacks and attach it onto the wall. So just press on it, guys. All I gotta do is hang up my headphones on top, and that's it. Look, how cool is that? It's very simple, very easy, anybody can do this. If you have messy floors and you gotta scrub them with sponges or any type of scrubber, it's gonna be difficult, guys. So a good way to cheat that is to do the following. Basically, you're gonna take your shoe, and on the bottom, you're gonna stick the sponge or scrubber. And the easiest way to do that is, of course, using a zip tie. So for example, I got my zip tie ready right here. Alright, perfect. See, guys, now I can put on my shoe and just do this on the floor. Pretty much by walking, I'll be scrubbing the floors. So do that, guys. It's very simple. You don't have to get your hands dirty. That is the best thing about this. It's a great hack for those of you who are lazy and really don't like cleaning up. But hey, I guess the job done, so that's the only thing that matters. So for example, let's say you don't have one of these containers that holds the paper clips, but you do have a bunch of paper clips all over your desk, right? If that's your problem right there, there's an easy fix for that. Just get some toilet paper, like this, make a little ball out of it, and stick it inside the roller, and give it enough space to put your paper clips inside. So now they'll be at your disposal for whenever you need them. You just keep it on your desk, handy, and then whenever you need a paper clip, just get one. If you guys want to be creative with a tennis ball, you guys can create your own little pencil holder, and for that you're going to need a blade. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a couple of openings on top of this tennis ball just so we can put our pencils through, and it'll hold our pencils on our desk. So let's just cut a few triangles out. That's very simple. So like this, guys. Look at that opening, and now you can insert a pencil through, just like this. So we're gonna do 3 openings because I have 3 pencils here. That's just my little demo for you guys. If you guys can make more room for more pencils, even better. And there we have it, guys. I know it looks like a little happy face. It looks like we carved out a little pumpkin or actually an apple. But nope, it's just a tennis ball. So now we can insert our pencils through, and it'll hold our pencils on our desk. Just like that. But here's the issue, guys. If you were to let go of the ball, yeah, it tilts on its side, right? So a good way to solve that problem is just get a piece of Velcro. This one has a little screen on the bottom with adhesive, so just place it on there, and then the ball stays put. It doesn't go anywhere, and you guys can easily pull out a pencil and then put it back once you're done using it, and that's it. Problem solved. A great little hack for those of you at home that want to recycle your tennis balls. What I have right here is a box of Kleenex tissue paper that everybody around the office needs, especially around winter time when everybody gets sick, everybody gets a cold. Well, let's say that this box is empty. There's no tissue paper available. Well, what we can do is take a roll of toilet paper and stick it inside that box. It's as simple as that, guys. Just insert it in and then have a little piece hanging. So whoever needs some tissue paper, all they gotta do is pull on it. And that's it. They got some tissue paper for their nose. And then another person comes over and they get more paper. That's it, guys. It's a simple little hack that you guys can do with a roll of toilet paper. Now guys, if you're down to your last sticky notes and you want to save these and you don't want to use them for just anything, then why not take a few squares of toilet paper and use that instead of just using these, because these are kind of expensive, right? Well, like I said, just take a square of the toilet paper and then write a note. For example, let's say you want to write, "Don't eat my lunch." So just write it on there. See guys, You don't have to waste sticky notes when you can just leave a square of toilet paper. This one says, "Don't eat my lunch." When it comes to cleaning floors, a Swiffer has been my best friend ever since I can remember. We've always had one of these. They are great for cleaning floors, but sometimes it gets exhausting. So guys, since we're in the age where there's a lot of technology and a lot of electronics, well, I'm gonna be using my hoverboard to clean the floors. That's right guys, if you guys are lazy or maybe just tired and you don't wanna clean the floor but you have to, well, get on your hoverboard and start cleaning. I'm gonna show you an example. I have my hoverboard ready right here. I'm gonna turn it on and begin cleaning the floors. So I'm on the hoverboard and I'm gonna begin cleaning my floor. I'm gonna spray it just a little. And here we go. That's so simple. This is like the laziest way to clean a floor. If you want to keep your office smelling fresh, smelling good, especially your surrounding areas, well, this toilet paper can help you out with that. You're gonna need some Febreze or some air freshener like this one right here, and of course the toilet paper. You're gonna undo some of the squares, so unroll it, and then you're gonna spray some Febreze on it, like this. You can soak it up, make sure it's soaked really well, and then begin to roll it back up. Yeah, the squares you unrolled will get wet, and that's fine. And that's it guys. Put this in your desk, like so, and your desk will be smelling fresh and clean for days to come. This right here guys is a tennis ball. It's quite common. A lot of people have these in their houses for whatever reason. They either play tennis or maybe it's for their dogs. Whatever the reason is, these you guys can recycle as well. So what I'm gonna show you right now is I'm gonna show you how to make some earmuffs using a tennis ball. And all you need is one. So basically what we're gonna do first is we're gonna cut it in half. So get yourself a blade and gotta be super careful with this and start cutting the ball in half. Just like that. So we sliced it in half and this is what the inside looks like. For those of you that have never seen the inside of a tennis ball, it's got that rubber stuff inside and it's got that fuzzy stuff on the outside. So basically it's 2 layers of it. Well, anyway, if you have small ears, this is perfect. If you have big ears, it still works, but your ears will not be completely covered. Anyway, this is how we need the ball to be at this point. Next, guys, we're gonna stuff them with some either toilet paper or paper towels. So I have my toilet paper right here, and I'm gonna ball up a few, and I'm just gonna stuff one with toilet paper, and I'll do the same to the other, just like that. All right. Next, guys, we gotta attach both of them together. So right here I have a little bit of rope, which I'm gonna use. And you have to measure this on your head first so you guys get the right length. So this goes over your head until it reaches your ears. And at that point, you're gonna cut off. So from ear to ear, from my left ear to my right ear, that's about the length that I need. So I'm gonna cut. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, but this is gonna go around my chin. So it'll be on the bottom. From ear to ear, then it's about the same length, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll need these 2 pieces. So with hot glue, I'm gonna stick the ends on the tennis balls. Just like that, and then the bottoms as well. Let's do the bottom now. So the earmuffs are ready, guys. Now, depending on the size of whoever is gonna wear these, will determine the length of the ropes that we just used. It should look something like this. But it's always best to cut them in half, like that. So that way, whoever's using these can tie them and adjust them. And you guys can do the same to the top. So basically, that's what we have right now. So whoever's wearing this is gonna adjust it to their liking. So they're gonna tie this. This is gonna be on their head. And this is gonna go on their chin. And SB is gonna give us a little demo. All right, SB, can you model those for us?
Alrighty. Oh, you need this, right? Blam! Look at that, I look like an alien.
But do you think it'll keep your ears warm?
Yup, it'll keep my ears warm. It look good too, look at that.
Yeah, it don't look bad at all.
I look like Frieza from Dragon Ball Z.
Nah, I think Frieza looks like you.
Yeah.
But now let's say you stored $50 in there and you need them. Well, all you do is turn it upside down, open it, get your $50, just $50, close it up, put it back where it goes, and now you have yourself $50 that you can use on whatever it is that you want. Then we'll find out who really is stronger, the fidget spinner or the poppy. Oh, wow.